Okay, so today's daily question is two best non-overlapping events. You are given a zero index to the integer of array of elements where event I is start time and time value. The ith event start at start time and end at end time. Okay, it's start like on 1 and end at 3. And if you attend this event, you will receive a value of value I. Okay, you can choose at most two non-overlapping events, and so they will return the okay, so we have to finally return the maximum sum, and the events should not be overlapping. So what are the constants? Okay, so constants are 10 power 5. We can solve this question using DP, but that will take big of n square time complexity. That will be around 10 power 10. So we have to think below that. So our option is either big of n or big of n log n. So let's try to implement binary search here. So first of all, we will let's sort this events, given events. Let's sort this and take out the length of the events. Okay. Now we want to create an array which will keep the track of which is the highest value element or the event ahead of that. So let's give it a name like suffix matrix. Initialize it will or 0. Okay, now let's run the loop for I in range n minus 1 to minus 1 minus 1. This is how you run the loop in Python. For okay, then suffix mat of I. We will check for the events after it. So max of suffix mat of I plus 1, and we will consider the event also. So what is the event? We will consider the events too. So events at I, and what is the value? Value is at the second index. Okay. Now create a starts array where we will apply our binary search. We can't apply binary here on 2D type. So let's take the start timings. So the start timings is events at I, and the starting is at 0 index for I in range, and here we can start. Okay. Now let's take answer is equal to 0. Again start for I in range n. Okay. So first of all, take this. Answer is equal to max of first take. We have to take only two elements. The first element can be the element itself. So we can take its value. We can take its value. And second, with the highest one, we have to take. And but this should not be in the interval. So this thing we can get with the help of uh, upper bound, which generally bisect right give us the upper bound in Python. So we can use that. You have to pass the array name and upper bound of which integer you want. So we want the upper bound of the uh, starting index means greater than that. If we pass this time like 2, then upper bound will be either 3 or 4, not equal to 2 or not less than 2. So if we have used bisect right here, we have to import that. So you can import easily from bisect, import bisect right. Okay, and yeah, then nothing, just we have to find the max answer. So answer will be max of answer, and sum of two elements, that is ones of I index 2 plus suffix max we have calculated already. Suffix max the higher value at that particular index, can pass that, and simply we can return the answer. Let's see if this works. I hope this should work. Yeah, test cases has passed. Let's submit this and see if this is passing the all test cases. Oh, yeah. So our test cases has been passed successfully. Thank you for watching.